Hi, next content is about toxic effects of pencil lead. Likely, this is the most important content. Let's see how to handle this. This part gives you the clarity on this topic. You just have a glance at this. Why this lesson? Actually, you know the importance of this content well. This has been the major complaint, so we decided to include a dedicated lesson on this topic. So in the lesson it's up to you. You know the importance, so you can take it deep. And finally, அந்த session முடிச்சிட்டு you can just proceed with these unhygienic habits because கண்டிப்பா students at this age will have these kinds of unhealthy habits. நீங்க அவங்க கிட்ட டீப்பா சொல்லலாம் இது எவ்வளோ பேட் அண்ட் அதை தாண்டி அவங்க physical health எப்படி இதெல்லாம் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க டீப்பா சொன்னீங்கன்னாவே they'll be getting clarity. Thank you.